It is to return the habitat to the First Nations communities in the region good or better than we found it.
We've got people from water and building some places and transportation working on it. It's one that I think the whole team, the Canada region, and the whole company will be able to look at and point to now, and as we progress it to full restoration, as a real signature project, a real accomplishment in the sense that we're restoring a real scar on the planet.
One of the biggest problems on Faro Mine is just getting access to the information and to the right person at the right time. It's just a huge undertaking.
We worked hard to establish our technical credibility, build a team of experts, and then we introduced PlanEngage and some of the other digital solutions to the client.
I guess what we're seeing on Faro Mine is when a client sees a different way of working, they don't want to go back to an old-fashioned way of working with lots of emails and PDFs and all of that stuff. They want to go forward because they can see the application and the possibility to extend this across other projects. So once people are converted, that's it, they're hooked, they want to keep going.
We've built a ton of different innovations, and now the team really sees the benefit of a digital transformation, and they want more. This greatly contributed to the collaboration on the project, as the project teams were no longer fumbling around trying to find the correct document or correct data set. They were able to go directly to the single point of truth and access the information in real time.
We've been able to use the EQuIS database and then the PlanEngage tool to both manage all the data, then also be able to present it and access it in a way that's very useful for us, the client, all of the partner firms working on the project, and crucially, the public.
We're at a time where data is probably our most valuable resource. And one of the largest challenges I see today is people getting access to the right data quickly.
And what we've done through PlanEngage is been able to make that a reality. We have a platform that allows individuals from around the globe to see the exact same information as somebody else. And that's powerful.
No other firm can do what AECOM can do because no other firm has gone to the trouble of structuring themselves to leverage their global reach. And so that makes us unique and it makes us exciting.
I think Faro is a great example of our Think and Act Globally strategy.
We've got professionals, scientists, and engineers from all of our business lines working on the project. We've drawn that expertise from across the organization. So I think it's a project that typifies what AECOM is and should be.
With AECOM, it's more than a project. It's a partnership, a promise, and a path to a better tomorrow.